Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to maths class. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Today we will see exercise 36 of triangles and their properties. First of all, we see the definition of triangle. A triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segment. Now types of triangles based on sides. First type is equilateral triangle. In this triangle, all the three sides are equal. Second type is isosceles triangle. In this triangle, two sides of triangle are equal. And the last third type of triangle is scalene triangle. In this triangle, no two sides of triangle are equal. बच्चों ये थे टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स बेस्ड ऑन साइड्स. नाउ लेट्स सी टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स बेस्ड ऑन एंगल्स. देयर आर आल्सो थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स बेस्ड ऑन एंगल्स. फर्स्ट नंबर acute angled triangle. In this triangle, all three angles of triangle are acute. What do you mean by acute? Less than 90 degree. Measurement is less than 90 degree. The second type of triangle based on angles is right angled triangle. In this triangle, one angle of triangle is of measurement 90 degree, that is right angle. And the last type of triangle based on angles is obtuse angled triangle. In an obtuse angled triangle, the triangle has one angle obtuse. Now what do you mean by obtuse? Obtuse is the measurement greater than 90 degree. These are the three types of triangles based on angles. Now let's see some important properties of a triangle. Number 1. The sum of measures of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And property number 2. The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. These two are very important properties. Always remember these two properties. Now we have to solve exercise 36. See exercise 36. See question number 1 is given. Observe the figures below and write the type of triangles based on angles. See the figure 1. PQR is a dash triangle. In figure 1, angle Q is given right angle 90 डिग्री का दिया हुआ है, इसलिए ये किस टाइप का ट्रायंगल होगा? राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल. सी द फिगर नंबर 2. XYZ ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है, उसमें एंगल Y जो है वो 125 डिग्री दिया हुआ है. 125 डिग्री मीन्स मोर देन 90 डिग्री विच इज ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. Therefore, triangle XYZ is an obtuse angled triangle. See the third triangle LMN. In this triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degree. So the triangle LMN is an acute angled triangle. Now see question number 2. Observe the figure below and write the type of triangles based on its sides. बच्चों फिगर दी हुई है और फिगर में हमें सिमिलर मार्क से दिखाया हुआ है कौन से साइड्स इक्वल है. सी द फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल ABC. ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल हियर, देयरफॉर इट विल बी इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. देखो बच्चों ट्रायंगल DEF में सभी साइड्स डिफरेंट दिखाए हुए हैं, अलग अलग मार्क दिखाया हुआ है, इसलिए ये जो ट्रायंगल होगा ये स्केलिन ट्रायंगल होगा, क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी दो साइड इक्वल नहीं है। Now see the last figure, UVW triangle. In this triangle, sides UV and UW, these two sides are given same measurement, equal, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. दो साइड्स इक्वल है इसलिए ये आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल होगा। See question number 3. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? Explain why. बच्चों अभी मैं आप लोगों को ट्रायंगल के दो प्रॉपर्टीज़ बताई, जिसमें एक प्रॉपर्टी थी हमारी सम ऑफ टू साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड. If we add the sides AB and BC, Avinash will go from the root A, B and C. Avinash can go directly from A to C. Here the property we use is sum of two sides of triangle is always greater than the third side. Here AB plus BC, it is greater than AC. Therefore the shortest route for going to school is AC.